Dennis.
For our next story, we head to Kauai County, Hawaii. The defendant is William Dennis, who's in court without a lawyer to face the charge of driving with a suspended license.
Good morning.
All eyes are on Dennis as he approaches. Clad in a blue robe and a headpiece, he immediately addresses the court.
Well, my knowledge of the facts is with this claim of this standing with this microphone.
Sir?
Of the documentation with the continuation of the evidence by this peaceful volition.
Dennis has been rambling for more than 10 seconds now, but the judge allows him to continue.
Sir, unless you stand there, you're not being recorded anyway.
For the claimant's knowledge of the fact is with avoidance of the boxes and planes with this closed area court room by the unity consciousness.
Dennis obviously has a thing for hyphens, so the judge attempts to get things back on track with a simple question.
Okay, what's your name?
For my knowledge of my peaceful volition is with avoidance of the perjury, with this participation of correct sentence structure communication passe syntax grammar.
If you're counting at home, that is 7 hyphens in just that answer alone. Thankfully, the judge steps in.
Okay, well, we have a lot of folks waiting here, and I would hope that you would be courteous to the other human beings that are in the courtroom today, waiting their turn to be heard. What do other human beings call you?
For my knowledge of the facts.
Perhaps hoping to avoid an extended answer, the prosecutor chimes in.
Your Honor, he is known to the state already as
William M. Dennis.
Yes, as Mr. Dennis.
The court will find that I know him from prior occasions.
This is going to be dismissed with prejudice. However, in order for his driver's license to be reinstated, there are reinstatement requirements that he must fulfill at licensing.
Okay, Mr. Dennis. First of all, I'll grant the motion. It will be dismissed with prejudice.
Okay, thank you.
Dismissed with prejudice means the case is permanently over. Done. Finished. But Dennis would like to keep going.
For my knowledge of my peaceful volition is with this calling of the cooperation with the human beings of this court room, with the creation of a sanctuary, with the purpose of the knowledge sharing, mind body healing in organic food growing with the free cost of the people with the public.
Mr. Dennis, I believe the state is being very patient and tolerant with you. You're free to go.
Thank you, Mr. Dennis.
It seems everyone wants this case over. That is, except for the defendant.
For my knowledge of my peaceful volition is with this calling of the cooperation with the human beings of this court room.
You're being disrespectful.
With the creation of...
Dennis can't quite see the gift he's been given and throws out a few more hyphens.
Mind body healing and organic food growing.
Sir,
with the free of the cost with the
please have a seat at the front.
The cost
Please.
with the...
It takes some assistance from the bailiff for Dennis to get the message. But on his way back to the gallery, he gets a few more hyphens in just for good measure.
Male livery by the correct sentence structure communication passe syntax grammar.
Sir, please have a seat in the front row.
Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.